question I get asked often is how come if we get to tax time and we analyze financial statements, you can have this amazingly healthy profit, which now results in you having to pay income tax. So you would pay tax over, but you're not seeing that profit sitting in your bank account. So what has gone wrong? What has happened? And if I'm focusing on profit, how does that help me if I look at my bank account? So the first thing that we need to realize when we are controlling the finances of our business is that your bank account will never correlate back to your accounting profit. There's a couple of reasons for that, but the simplest one is the fact that accounting, if it has been done properly, is done according to something called the accrual system. And in simple English, all that means is that your income and your expenses are incurred in your accounting records, are recorded in your accounting records when they are incurred. So, if I write an invoice out to a customer today, on today's date, that income is going to be recorded in my accounting records. That sale will show in my accounting records today. If I walk into a stationery store tomorrow and I buy some paper, and I'm going to get a slip from that stationery store, it will have tomorrow's date on it. So I'm going to record that stationery purchase on tomorrow's date. But I haven't necessarily had an exchange of cash yet. I might have given my customer 7 days to pay me. So I've incurred the income, I've recorded that sale in my accounting records today. They're only going to pay the money into my bank account in 7 days' time, next week. And I might have a credit arrangement with the stationery store. So I buy the paper tomorrow and it's recorded in our accounting records tomorrow, but I only have to pay them next month. So immediately you can see that my accounting records are not going to match what is sitting in my bank account. And it is very, very dangerous as a business owner to look at your bank account and assume that, number one, that is your money, because it's not. And number two, to assume that it is a reflection of how your business is doing. Never, ever, ever look at your business bank account and think that that is an accurate and true reflection of how your business is doing. It is not. You don't know that money is yours. You don't know if you have to pay it out soon. You don't know if everyone has paid you. So never try and correlate profit and bank account. You need to be tracking those two things separately.